맥주 한잔 할래요?
How about a beer?
How about beer? How about beer? How about beer?
내일 점심 어때요?
How about lunch tomorrow?
Can't. How about lunch tomorrow? Can't. How about lunch tomorrow? Can't. How about lunch tomorrow?
왜 안 먹어요?
How come you're not eating?
How come you're not eating? How come you're not eating? How come you're not eating?
그는 왜 오지 않았나요?
How come he didn't come?
Hey, how come Chandler didn't come? Hey, how come Chandler didn't come? Hey, how come Chandler didn't come?
내가 왜 몰랐지?
How come I didn't know?
How come I didn't know? How come I didn't know? How come I didn't know?
거기까지 가는데 얼마나 걸릴까요?
How long will it take to get there?
How long will it take to get there? How long will it take to get there? How long will it take to get there?
일요일은 어때요?
How about Sunday?
How about Sunday? Okay, how about Sunday? Okay, how about Sunday? Okay,
왜 이렇게 늦었죠?
How come you're late?
How come you're late? I had car trouble. How come you're late? I had car trouble. How come you're late? I had car trouble.
왜 나에게 말 안 했나요?
How come you didn't tell me?
How come you didn't tell me that you didn't file them? How come you didn't tell me that you didn't file them? How come you didn't tell me that you didn't file them?
결혼한 지 얼마나 됐나요?
How long have you been married?
How long have you been married? How long have you been married? How long have you been married?
우리 산책하는 게 어때요?
How about we take a walk?
How about we take a walk? How about we take a walk? How about we take a walk?
왜 그들은 파티를 취소했나요?
How come they canceled the party?
So how come they canceled the party? So how come they canceled the party? So how come they canceled the party?
보통 얼마나 걸리죠?
How long does it usually take?
How long does it usually take? How long does it usually take? How long does it usually take?
이번 주말에 캠핑 가는 건 어때요?
How about this weekend on the camping trip?
How about this weekend on the camping trip? How about this weekend on the camping trip? How about this weekend on the camping trip?
왜 나한테 말 안 했어요?
How come you never told me?
How come you never told me that before? How come you never told me that before? How come you never told me that before?
얼마나 더 기다려야 하나요?
How long do we have to wait?
How long do we have to wait for it? How long do we have to wait for it? How long do we have to wait for it?
저녁 식사 어때요?
How about dinner?
Or how about dinner? Or how about dinner? Or how about dinner?
왜 그 가게는 일요일에 문을 닫나요?
How come the store is closed on Sundays? How come the store is closed on Sundays? How come the store is closed on Sundays?
왜 재킷을 입지 않았어요?
How come you're not wearing a jacket? How come you're not wearing a jacket? How come you're not wearing a jacket?
그들은 왜 회의 시간을 바꿨나요?
How come they changed the meeting time? How come they changed the meeting time? How come they changed the meeting time?
왜 도움을 요청하지 않았어요?
How come you didn't ask for help? How come you didn't ask for help? How come you didn't ask for help?
버스가 왜 늦게 운행되고 있나요?
How come the bus is running late? How come the bus is running late? How come the bus is running late?
왜 그들은 문제를 해결하지 못했나요?
How come they didn't fix the problem? How come they didn't fix the problem? How come they didn't fix the problem?
왜 그는 내 말을 듣지 않는 거죠?
How come he never listens to me? How come he never listens to me? How come he never listens to me?
그들은 왜 주말에 안 열죠?
How come they're not open on weekends? How come they're not open on weekends? How come they're not open on weekends?
당신은 영어를 공부한 지 얼마나 되었나요?
How long have you been studying English? How long have you been studying English? How long have you been studying English?
주문을 얼마나 기다려야 하나요?
How long do I need to wait for my order? How long do I need to wait for my order? How long do I need to wait for my order?
당신들은 서로 알고 지낸 지 얼마나 됐어요?
How long have you known each other? How long have you known each other? How long have you known each other?
배터리는 얼마나 오래 지속되나요?
How long does the battery last? How long does the battery last? How long does the battery last?
당신은 이 도시에서 얼마나 오래 살았어요?
How long have you lived in this city? How long have you lived in this city? How long have you lived in this city?
전시회는 언제까지 열리나요?
How long will the exhibition be open? How long will the exhibition be open? How long will the exhibition be open?
당신은 요가를 얼마나 오래 했나요?
How long have you been practicing yoga? How long have you been practicing yoga? How long have you been practicing yoga?
인천에서 로스앤젤레스까지 비행 시간이 얼마나 걸리나요?
How long does the flight from Incheon to Los Angeles take? How long does the flight from Incheon to Los Angeles take? How long does the flight from Incheon to Los Angeles take?
커피 한 잔 어때요?
How about grabbing a cup of coffee? How about grabbing a cup of coffee? How about grabbing a cup of coffee?
오늘 밤 영화를 보러 가는 게 어때요?
How about going to the movies tonight? How about going to the movies tonight? How about going to the movies tonight?
이따 오후에 쇼핑 가는 게 어때요?
How about going shopping this afternoon? How about going shopping this afternoon? How about going shopping this afternoon?
해변으로 수영하러 가는 게 어때요?
How about going for a swim at the beach? How about going for a swim at the beach? How about going for a swim at the beach?